welcome to my channel Science of Life. Today we will discuss cardiac electrophysiology. So first we will discuss through animation so you can understand better, and then we will discuss through this figure. So let's get started.
Conducting system of the heart. It is made up of specialized cardiac muscle fibers and it is responsible for initiation and conduction of cardiac impulses. It is consist of 5 components. First, sinoatrial node. Second, atrioventricular node. Third, AV bundle or bundle of His. 4. Right and left branches of bundle of His. And 5. Subendocardial Purkinje fibers. SA node. It is a small horseshoe-shaped mass having specialized myocardial fibers situated in the wall of right atrium in the upper part of the sulcus terminalis just below the opening of superior vena cava. It is known as pacemaker of the heart because it generates impulses about 70 beats per minute and initiates the contract of cardiac muscles producing heartbeat. AV node. It is smaller than the SA node. It is located in the lower part of atrial septum just above the attachment of the septal cusp of the tricuspid valve or opening of coronary sinus. It conducts the cardiac impulses to the ventricle by atrioventricular bundle. The AV node is capable of generating impulses at the rate about 60 beats per minute. The speed of contraction of cardiac impulse about 0.11 second provide sufficient time to the atria to empty the blood to the ventricle before ventricles start contracting. Third, AV bundle or bundle of His. It begins from the AV node, crosses the AV ring and runs along the inferior part of the membranous part of the interventricular septum, where it divides into left and right branches. Since this skeleton, which is a fibrous framework of the heart, separates the muscles of atria from the muscles of ventricles. The bundle of His is only the means of conducting impulses from the atria to ventricles. Right and left branches of the bundle of His. The right branch passes down to the right side of the interventricular septum and then becomes subendocardial on the right side of the septum. A large part of it continues in the septomarginal trabeculum to reach the anterior papillary muscles and anterior wall of the ventricles. Its Purkinje fibers then spread out beneath the endocardium. The left branch descends the left side of the ventricular septum, divides the Purkinje fibers which are distributed to the septum and left ventricle. Purkinje fibers. They are the terminal branches of the right and left branches of bundle of His and spread subendocardially over the septum and rest of the ventricular wall. The conducting system and mode of contraction of cardiac muscles is revised as follows. SA node initiates an impulses which rapidly spreads to the muscle fibers of the atria, making them to contract. The AV node picks up the cardiac impulse from the atria and conducts it through AV bundle and its branches to the papillary muscles and wall of the ventricles. The papillary muscles contract first to tighten the chordae tendon and then the contractions of ventricular muscles occurs.
Now we will summarize the topic by this figure. So first, SA node will start to initiate the impulses and these impulses will spread throughout the atria, and at that time the atria will contract. Then next, here is the AV node, atrioventricular node. Now this AV node will get the impulses from the atria. Then the AV node conducts these impulses to the left bundle branch and right bundle branch and the wall of the ventricle, walls of the ventricles. So the ventricles will also contract it. The papillary muscles contract first to tighten the chordae tendon and then the contractions of ventricular wall occurs. So these impulses will transmit throughout the walls of the heart and this conduction takes place.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you may understand the conducting system of the heart. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.